Are you looking for the best laundry baskets and hampers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laundry baskets and hampers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Storage Maniac 3-section laundry sorter. This one fits the bill for sorting, especially if you need to move your laundry across a large space, says Origami. It's got 3 removable waterproof bags that can each hold 25 pounds of laundry, 4 rolling wheels, and more than 5,000 5-star reviews. User Wilfredo Pagan writes, "I love everything about this product. It's sturdy, yet lightweight. Strong enough to hold my husband's laundry, lots and lots, and so easy to transport from my bathroom to the laundry room by rolling it or simply carrying each bag as needed. Love the brakes, they work. Big enough to hold many loads and small enough to fit perfectly in the bathroom." Speaking of sorting laundry, here's how to wash white clothes to keep them looking their best. Moving on at number 4. We have the OrganiHaus XXL Rope Laundry Basket. Don't let this basket's good looks fool you. Handwoven from 100% premium cotton, it has large easy grip handles and is built to last. Boasting nearly 2,000 5-star reviews, it's well designed, sturdy and larger than it appears, according to one verified reviewer. Another customer calls it the perfect laundry basket. Its comfortable handles are the right size, it holds just the right amount of clothes to fit into a machine, and it's gorgeous to look at. What more can you want? At number 3, we have the Sterilite UltraWheeled Hamper. When you need to travel, a laundry basket on wheels can make life so much easier, and this Amazon's Choice hamper in particular is a fan favorite, with more than 3,000 5-star reviews. Made of sturdy plastic, the hamper has a lid, a retractable handle for pulling it, smooth gliding wheels, and air vents. User Michael F. Harrington Sr., whose laundry room is in a detached garage, writes, "These are great for hauling your laundry to and from the laundry room." E. Lieberman agrees, saying, "Wonderful product, the roomy hamper holds lots of clothes. We use a common laundry in our condo, so being able to wheel the cart down the hall is really convenient." At number 2, we have the handy laundry mesh pop-up laundry hamper. A mesh bag will help your dirty laundry breathe if anything is damp, says Origami. With close to 30,000 5-star reviews, this mesh hamper is the one to beat. It not only holds a ton, but it also has strong handles for carrying, and it can be folded flat for travel or storage. The mesh ventilated sides means dirty uniforms and other lightweight gear like sweaty headbands and stinky socks can be thrown in without worrying that weird bacteria will ferment and grow before wash day, says grateful mom Melanie Gilbert. "I haven't owned a plastic wash basket in years," admits another reviewer. "Honestly, is there any home that doesn't have at least a couple of these? They're so useful. Having one in each bedroom is so much better than buying some expensive cutesy hamper that doesn't let damp clothing dry out." And finally at number 1, we have the Sterilite Ultra Easy Carry Hamper. This is the best laundry basket for most people because it's durable, easy to carry, and holds about 2 loads of laundry at once. The generously sized classic white laundry basket also features ventilated sides to keep dampness at bay. With nearly 1,000 5-star reviews, it's an Amazon's Choice product. Amazing quality, great price, raves one verified shopper. "I honestly can't believe these are this cheap. I have 5 children, so this set of 4 worked perfectly. You won't find a better deal, trust me, I searched." Another buyer said it was just right for hauling laundry 2 floors. "If only deciding between liquid versus powder detergent was this easy." Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.